do a cabin tour. We are on the start of the seas. We had a junior suite, deck 9, cabin number 532. To come in, you have to tap your key to walk into the room. Once you come in, you have the bathroom. Then you have the rest of the cabin. So let's go ahead and take a look. So we have the large mirror coming in. Very good to get ready during the day. You have room thermostat, pretty nice and cold. Changing for the lights, and then you have your bathroom. Very spacious bathroom. This type of cabin, you do have extra toiletries are included, like extra perks. You have salt and breeze, you have lotion here included. Shower, you have a nice spacious showers with a tub. Then as well you have soap, conditioner, shampoo, body wash. That's what I meant to say. There is plenty of space here to store some of your toiletries. And this one's open, this one's open. And then as well at the bottom. Well, let's go ahead and check the rest of the cabin. Oh, as well, there's some shelf here too. So coming in, you have a small closet. There is a little bit of shelf area, and then you have your larger closet or preparation area. So it's like a vanity here. You can do your makeup. It's like a desk if you want to do some work. On this cabin, you have bathrobes included, some slippers there too. Like it's plenty of room, and I love there's a lot of hangers too, because we normally have to ask for them. There's plenty here. Other door, you got your safe and more storage. 4 doors, there's your safe. Pretty nice spacious for a cruise. Now I have the doors don't slam either, sometimes they tend to slam very loud. Coming in, you got more storage in this room. You have your hair dryer. Doors. I'm guessing this is the mini fridge. Yep. So mini fridge there. Because we are on the junior suite, we have a special coffees here for us that we can drink in the morning. So let's have coffee. There's some cream. It's like your machine to make your coffee. Oh, I see there's some plugs already. There's some international plug in US as well. Then coming to the bed. There's 2 hats here. We are on the preview inaugural season right now, so we got some gift from Royal Caribbean, so that's why we have hats. So do not expect hats when you come here. That's because we're in the preview. Special room here for our junior suite. Notice there is USB and USB-C plugs on this side of the bed. Let's look on the other side. Looks like the same. You have a USB and USB-C, and there's like a US port as well next to the bed, and switches for the lights. Space under the bed to put your luggage. It's like extra comforters. You got this mattress. I believe this can turn to a bed as well. You got your TV, a little couch area to drink some coffee, have some friends, just do some work. And then we have our balcony, which I love the space in the balcony. Ugh. It's like a lounge chair and a table area. Maybe we'll do some breakfast in the morning here, who knows. And here's a view, we're here in Port Canaveral, so we are towards the front. We have right under the bridge. So that's the tour here for our junior suite cabin on board Star of the Seas. If you're looking to book a suite or any cabins on board Royal Caribbean or any cruise, send us an email at info@thegetawayguys so we can help you book your future cruise.